Hey everybody, it's Valencia, the Style Educator. I'm back with a brand new video. So today I want to talk a little bit about DIY closet and wardrobe organizational tips. So the purpose of this video is just to really help you be able to successfully organize your own closet. The weekend is typically a really great time to do something like this. I don't recommend starting this type of project during the week, just with everything else that it is that we have to do. I feel like it's best to just set some time aside on the weekend. And typically, when you have a busy schedule, sometimes you have your downtime on the weekend. And so the weekend is also a time where many of us like do our laundry. We give our house that really good deep cleaning. And so what better way than to also incorporate getting something like this done? And so today, I just want to share some helpful tips that you can use that will help you do your own closet, clean your wardrobe out, get everything organized, and get everything situated. Because the reality is our closet is a huge part of our day-to-day life and our day-to-day routine. And so when you're going in your closet, ladies, you should definitely feel good about it. You should want to go in there. You shouldn't dread going in there. It shouldn't create any additional anxiety or anything like that. Going in your closet is something that you should look forward to doing versus something that you have to do, right? Because obviously it's where your clothes are, your shoes, etc. So doing a good closet clean out, wardrobe organization can definitely help you feel better if you don't feel good about going in your closet right now. The other thing with cleaning your closet out and organizing your wardrobe is that you're going to be able to see things and utilize things and create new outfits and maybe look at your clothes in a way that you never did before when you do something like this. This is another, benefit, if you will, to cleaning out your wardrobe. You know what I'm saying? Is that as you go through your clothes, as you go through your wardrobe, and then as you begin to put everything in place, it should inspire you, right, to start to wear things in a new, fresh way. Because a lot of times, when I work with clients and we get together and we go and we organize the closet, a lot of times clients are sitting back like, I didn't even know that I had that, or I remember I brought that, but then I couldn't find it, or I thought I lost it, or, whatever the case may be, because things are not thoroughly organized. And so when they get misplaced or, they kind of get piled under other things as you're just going about your days, your weeks, your months, your years, you're just wearing things and things are just getting piled on top of each other, and you're forgetting that you even have certain things because there's a lack of organization. And so this should definitely bring about just more feng shui, right? It should definitely bring about more excitement for you when it comes to you getting up and heading into your closet. So let's get right into it, right? One of the first things that I want you to do is, even though you are going to do this on the weekend, I want you to break your closet into sections. When you hire a personal stylist such as myself, this is something that we are skilled to do. We are experienced to do it. And so when we're coming in and we're doing it, we're able to tackle it in a day. You know what I'm saying? If not 2 days. It just depends on how much closet space you have. It depends on how much, how much clothing, shoes, accessories, bags, hats, whatever. It just depends upon what you actually have in your wardrobe. But most of the time, we are able to provide a very quick turnaround. And so the reason that I want you to break yours down in sections is because it's not something that you do professionally. It's not something that you're well versed in. It's not something that you're experienced in, which a lot of times is associated with why women do not do it at all. Why it's something that's just not, something that you don't look forward to doing, because again, it can be very overwhelming. You're just like, hey, I don't feel like going in there. I don't have time. I don't have the energy. I don't have the patience. But again, this video is for those of you that want to do it yourself, right? So you need to break your closet in sections. And what I mean by that is you need to just say, hey, I'm going to start with all of my shoes this day. So let's just say, okay, today is Saturday. This Saturday, I'm going to focus on my shoes, right? Next Saturday, I'm going to focus on all of my tops. The Saturday after that, I'm going to focus on all of my bottoms, right? So again, I want you to break your wardrobe up in sections and go through that particular focus just on that section. So if today's Saturday and today you're going through your shoes, that's what it is that you need to focus on. Don't try to do shoes, tops, bottoms, pocketbooks. Don't do that, because you are going to overwhelm yourself. You are going to turn yourself completely off to the process. You're not going to want to do this. So it's very important for you to break it down. And of course, as you go through each section, you are going to want to look at what you want to throw away, what you want to keep, what you want to donate. And then you may even want to create a repair pile. So let's just talk about shoes, for example. This is the way that you can determine if these shoes are worth you even being repaired. So let's just say you have a pair of high heel pumps. The pump is a little worn down. Is this pump something that you want to keep? Is it something that is versatile in your wardrobe? Is it something that you invested money in, right? So these are some questions that you want to ask yourself when you determine if it's something you want to repair. You can even use those questions to determine if you want to throw it away, if you want to keep it, or if you want to donate it. But again, the goal is to choose one thing to tackle one day. Do not try to tackle multiple sections of your closet, ladies, okay? Next tip, organize everything accordingly, right? So make sure all of your tops are together with your tops. Make sure all of your bottoms are together with your bottoms. And again, this is just very basic. So don't have all of your tops and then you got some sweaters or you got some jeans or some skirts or something mixed in with your tops. Make sure that you are designating a place, be it inside of your closet, be it folded in your drawers. Designate a drawer for your tops. And if you go back on my post on my page, there is a post that tells you what things you should fold and what things you shouldn't. So based off of that, fold all of your tops that need to be folded, put them in a specific drawer or multiple drawers, however many you need, again, based off what you have. And then the things that need to be hung up in your closet, keep a specific section for your tops. Do not mix your tops with your bottoms and your dresses and your jackets. Do not do that. Create a specific place for your tops and then just take it from there, right? And if you want to kind of take it up another notch, you can do all of your short sleeves together, your long sleeves, and if we're talking about your bottoms, again, keep all of your bottoms together. If they're jeans, fold them up, put them in a specific place, put them in a specific, designate a drawer just for your jeans. If it's something that needs to be hung up, like some suit and pants, hang them up, keep everything together, right? And again, if we are going to take it deeper, maybe you organize all of your light denim, organize all of your dark, etc. Okay? And again, so yes, the main thing is just keeping each clothing item together with its cousins, or sisters, if you will. So keep all of your tops together with your tops, all of your bottoms with your bottoms, all of your dresses with your dresses, blazers with blazers. Stop mixing and matching all of these things all over the place in your wardrobe. Make sure you are creating a way to have everything together. Again, this is going to help you as you start to get dressed every day. Everything should have a specific place, right? And you need to be the person to do that. Okay, the next thing you need to do is you need to really update your closet system, right? Regardless if you have a closet system installed or even if you don't, you need to create something, right? And what I mean by that, closet systems are not always like a California closet or the system that comes from like the Container Store or something like that. It doesn't have to be a huge expensive closet organizational system or something that you go out here and you get from somewhere. It can definitely be something that you create on your own for yourself. Whether, like I said, if you want to just organize all of your tops in a designated place in your closet and even in a designated drawer, Or if you want to visit like your TJ Maxx, your Marshalls, your Walmart, your Target, and you're picking up different things like drawer dividers, really cute, stylish like baskets that you can label what's in the basket, right? And you're placing it in your closet as such. You can create your own system. You do not have to go out here and invest that much into an actual California closet, or like I said, the closet system that they have at your container store. You can create something for yourself. And as you go through your clothes, you will begin to say, okay, I don't really have enough room for this. So then you can create a solution for that, right? The other thing that I want to tell you to do is you need to make sure that you can have things as visible as possible, especially like your shoes. I've even experienced this myself. I literally forgot that I had a pair of shoes. They're brand new in the box receipt, because you need to be able to see your shoes. And what I would recommend is taking a picture and putting it on the outside of your shoe box if you don't have like clear shoe boxes. But again, I would even say take them out of the box and create a nice system. So again, it goes back to all of the black shoes together. You can even do like your sandals together, or just all of your black, all of your pretty neutral, and then all of the things that, you know, maybe your animal print shoes, or just different funky types of shoes that you have that don't really have like a specific color, or they're not a solid color. All of your sneakers together, all of your flats, however you want to do it. But the goal is for you to be able to see everything. It's for you to be able to see it. If you don't see it, you're not thinking about it. If you're not thinking about it, you're not gonna wear it. And that's just the reality of it. So as you create your system, make sure that you're creating something where you can see your clothes and that you know exactly where everything is at. Again, this is going to help you have more efficient days. This is going to help you wear more of your clothes, right? As women, we wear a very small percent. I think it's like 20% of the 80% of our wardrobe. You know, that's not a lot. So you want to make sure that you're maximizing your closet, maximizing your clothes and your wardrobe, and ultimately maximizing how and what it is that you're wearing. If you don't see anything, again, you're not even thinking about it. You don't even know what's there for you to even take advantage of it and wear it. So create some sort of system where you can see your stuff and know exactly what you have and know where your things are. So you're not scrambling around like, well, I knew I had that blazer, but I can't find it. Or I knew I had that top and I can't find it. Again, even in your drawers, if you want to coordinate all of the white tops together, the black tops, again, you can go as deep as you want to go. But again, I want to keep it as basic as I can, because like I said, you guys are not professionals. This is not something that you really want to do. But again, I wanted to share these tips for those of you that want to have some sort of solution to your wardrobe, and you may want to take a hit at it and do it on your own, right? Okay, so again, we've already talked about the photos for outside, and I even wrote down shelves. So if you have, like my closet, I have shelves. If you don't, again, you can create this. You can create whatever you want. You can go out there and get a wardrobe rack. I mean, there's so much inspiration on Pinterest for closets, whether you have a small closet space to a large closet space. Again, even those of you who already have a organizational system installed, there's so many different ways that you can reorganize and even style, if you will, your space, right? So again, you want to make things possible so that you know what it is that you are wearing. Also, even when you think about your jewelry, like, right, they have things that you can store your jewelry on. They have so much out there, ladies. I'm telling you, so much. Michael's has things, Hobby Lobby, like I said, your Walmart, your Target, whatever. You guys can do so much. You can even paint a wall, right? I mean, people even put like nice fashion books. I mean, it's just, options are just limitless, right? And once you make that space more organized, once you make that space just better, I promise you, you will see a turnaround in your wardrobe and your image alone. Okay, let's see. Also, you can buy like a wardrobe rack if you lack closet space, right? You can use that, or you can even buy the wardrobe rack just to house your outfits that you're gonna wear for the week, or even things that you know that you wear a lot. Like, these are pieces that just turn around in your wardrobe so quick that you just, okay, I know I always wear these pair of jeans, or I always wear these tops, or I always wear this skirt, I always wear this blazer. You can even buy a wardrobe rack just to house those things that are so popular. And last but certainly not least, create a list of what you need. Because again, as you begin to dive into the different sections of your wardrobe, there are things that are going to come to your mind and say, Dag, I thought I had that, but I don't. So let me write that down. Or, man, I'm noticing that I want this to go with that. Or whatever the case may be. Whatever's going to be coming up to you as you move through this process, create a list. Be it your needs, your wants, even things, you know, that you notice that you need for your organization. Like, if you know, okay, I don't have anything to store my winter clothes because now it's spring going into summer, and I may need to grab some of those organizational systems that I can tuck under my bed because I don't have the room in my physical closet to house this wardrobe over here. I'm not able to house my winter fall wardrobe over here and my spring and summer over here. Again, as you move through it, you are going to begin to discover what it is that you need, want, and desire when it comes to your wardrobe, and when it comes to creating that healthy and that helpful, if you will, closet organization for you. All right. So, like I said, these tips are for those of you who want to do it yourself. You want to organize your closet. You know, this video can be used for whenever you get ready, right? I don't feel like there's a specific time. I know, you know, people say, oh, well, the seasons change your wardrobe. I think that's a great time to do it. But I feel that you should be revisiting and assessing and cleaning and organizing your wardrobe as much as you can, right? As much as you can. Because the more that you're in it, the more you know about your wardrobe, whether if you need to improve, whatever it is that you need to do. And if you're not in it, you just don't know, right? So hopefully this video is going to help some of you who want to take a shot at doing it yourself. And, you know, again, don't beat yourself up. Start in sections. Add or update your current closet organizational systems. You know, make everything visible. Create a list for, you know, what it is that you need. Organize accordingly. Tops with tops, bottoms with bottoms, dress with dresses, etc. You guys get the gist. And as always, I am here if you want to say, the heck with all of that, Valencia. I need you, or I need a local professional in my area to help me. You guys can hit me up, reach me on my website to book a style consultation at valenciaholland.com. And yeah, I'm here for you. So thank you for tuning in to my video, and I'll see you guys on my next one.